Hiya, welcome to the Hughes Hikes channel. I haven't been able to do a video for about 3 or 4 weeks now, and if any of you have seen the last video, you'll see that I mentioned about that I got psoriatic arthritis, and I had really bad problems with my knees, with my knee. It's getting a bit better now, still not 100%, but it's something I've had to live with for about 12 years now, and I had a bit of a handle on it, but lately it's not been too good, so I've had to make some, or I'm going to have to make some big changes in my life. So I don't think there's going to be too much of the going up SNOWDON, that sort of thing anymore. Not as often, put it that way. It's not great, it's not what I want to do. I want to get out there, I want to do new challenges, long walks, got lots in my head planned for things I want to do, but health's got to come first sometimes, which is unfortunately. Yeah, I pushed myself for a few years now, and I've just battled through it, and I've learned to live with the pain, but it's just taking its toll on me. It's not good. So yeah, I need to look after myself, for myself and for my family. So I won't be doing as many videos, and they might not be up massive mountains, but I'll still try and do my bit. And I'm on the mend, but it's something that will never get better, but it might improve. So that's why I just thought I'd do a little video on local areas. It's my first time I've been out of the house, apart from work, where I've had to work. First time I've been out of the house for 3 or 4 weeks, without crutches. So yeah, anyway, hope you enjoy the video. Sorry to be put a bit of a downer on it, but you know, needed saying. So yeah, take care, look after yourselves, subscribe if you like the channel. Cheers, ta-ra.